Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can change the thinking mode in your DeepSeq CLI or the DeepCode CLI. So, in order to change the thinking mode in your DeepCode CLI, the first thing that you're going to do is simply run your Windows PowerShell as an administrator. And once you have done that, simply type in DeepCode in order to launch the DeepCode CLI. And once the CLI launches, the next thing that you can see from here is your current model and the thinking enabled stat as well. So if you wish to change the thinking level, first type in the / and then type in model and hit the enter button. Now from here, if you wish to be on the current model, you can simply choose the same one or else choose the another one. If you do not want to change, simply press the enter button over the same model, and then from here you will see the thinking mode. It can be either set to max, high, or no thinking at all. So for example, let's say if I wish to change it to max, I will simply select max option and then click onto this enter button. And now you can see that my model has remained the same while my thinking mode has been successfully set to high. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.